Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I will crochet it forward in this video by showing you how to make my easy angel ornament. The materials you're going to need for this project is some ornament hooks that I just got at the dollar store. You're going to need a skin color and of course white, and a smaller crochet hook that I have on standby. This is a letter B, 2.25 millimeter. This angel is worked up with a crochet hook letter D, size 3.25 millimeter. You'll need some scissors and of course a sewing needle. Here's an angel just in white. Here are angels in Christmas colors. Here are angels in variegated yarn. Here's an angel for a tree that maybe is decorated in black and white with a silver halo. And here's an angel that I used a variety of colors. So we're going to start with the head. Go ahead and make a magic circle and chain 2. And all we're going to do is make 12 double crochets in the magic circle. And that is yarning over, go inside your magic circle, pull up your yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Again, that's yarn over, go inside your circle, pull up your yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. That's 2. One more, yarn over, go inside your circle, pull up your yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So go ahead and finish keep going until you have 12 double crochets. Once you have finished your 12 double crochets, you want to slip stitch to the top of that first one and then fasten off. Leave about 6 inches for sewing and go ahead and sew in your end. Right, so we're going to move on to the dress. I have a magic circle and I've chained 2, and we're going to repeat what we did for the angel head, and that's we're making double crochets. So we're going to make 12 double crochets inside our magic circle for round 1. Go ahead and finish making 12 double crochets and I'll meet you back. I just finished my 12th double crochet. I'm going to pull the tail to close my circle, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of that first double crochet. Okay, we're going to chain 2. Again, that does not count as a stitch. And now we're going to make 2 double crochets in each stitch. This is the increase. We'll be increasing this round and another round. You have 12 double crochets in your first round, 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around for a total of 24, and I will meet you back. I just finished my 24th double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. I'm going to chain 2, and the repeat for our last round is 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet in the next. So you have 3 stitch repeat, 2 in the next, 1, 2, and then 1 in the next. Go ahead and repeat that pattern all the way around here, and I will meet you back. I just finished my 36th double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first, chain 1, and you want to leave about, I'd say about 7 inches for sewing. The next thing we're going to make are the wings. I have my magic circle and I've chained 2, and what we're going to do is make 10 extended double crochets. If you're not comfortable with an extended crochet, you can substitute it for a triple crochet. An extended crochet is yarning over, going inside your circle, pulling up a loop, yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Okay, once again, yarn over, go inside your circle, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So go ahead and make 8 more, so you have a total of 10. I've just finished my 10th double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and pull the tail a little tight, but I'm not going to close the circle. So what I'm going to do now is turn my work and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this same stitch, we're going to make 2 extended triple crochets, or if you're more comfortable, a quadruple crochet. That's yarn over, go inside your stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. It's very similar to the extended double crochet, only we're yarning over one more time for a total of 4. We're going to do that again. Yarn over, go inside your stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now in the next stitch we're going to make 2 extended double crochets, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Another one, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. We are making 2 stitches in each stitch. The next stitch is 2 double crochets. The next stitch are 2 half double crochets. Next stitch are 2 single crochets. And now what we're going to do is repeat that going the other side. So we have 2 single crochets again in the next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, that's 1, 2, 2 extended double crochets in the next stitch, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, or a triple crochet if you're more comfortable. 1, 2, 2, and then 2 quadruple crochets in the next stitch. Now this one might be a little tricky to get into, or a quadruple crochet if you're more comfortable with that. We're going to yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. We'll repeat that. Yarn over 1, yarn over, 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. We're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then slip stitch in that same stitch to join, just like we did at the beginning. Chain 1, fasten off. Now for the halo, you will need to chain 15, slip stitch to your first stitch, and chain 1. You'll want to leave about 5 to 6 inches of sewing. The next thing we're going to do are the hands. So we are going to use the tail from our dress as a guide, and then we're going to count 5 stitches to the left and to the right, so they will be even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get a slip knot on your crochet hook, pull up a loop. I find that if you hang on to the tail, the slip knot will slide through easier. And then we're going to make a picot stitch, which is chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in that same stitch we are going to slip stitch. Okay, do not chain 1. Pull that through, get your slip stitch on your hook, and then do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fasten on. Let me hang on to that tail, slip stitch on, if that makes sense. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then go ahead and slip stitch into that same stitch. However, this time leave about a 5 to 6 inch tail for sewing. Now we have our 4 pieces. We have our dress with the hands, the head, the wings and the halo, and now it's time to sew. There you have it. There is your easy angel ornament. Now all you need to do is just put a hook on it like I did with this one. Not sure how you guys do that, but that's it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can you imagine your tree full of these? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with somebody. I apologize for any confusion. Again, I am not a professional videographer, and I so appreciate everybody's patience. And together, let's continue to crochet it forward. Bye now.